my thinking ability wasn't working like I liked it to, and I felt like Dr. Noorda is a type of person that handles those kind of situations, and I felt they could help me out. He's helped me see things in a more clear way than I was seeing it beforehand.
Floyd is a person who loved to work in the outdoors. He had 8 acres, and he used to be out there all the time working on it. And then I noticed that I didn't want to do it too much here. But recently, he has wanted to come out and help me work in the yard. He's always been outgoing and likes to talk about certain things he's done. We've traveled all over the world, and he's got lots of experiences. And now he is more like he used to be. He's come a great deal closer to being the old Floyd since we've been going to Dr. Noorda. He's like a young man again. He's happy, ready to go.
Yeah, I think that as we're understanding the kind of life that we want, we look at problems and we see them more clearly. Normally, when we're going through life, we just, things as they happen, we accept it and move on. But he's helping us to see things in a more clear perspective.
We listen to him because he's got all that experience in working with people with brain problems.
I think that he's a very good doctor. He's very observant. He helps you pinpoint some of the situations that he sees that could be helpful and makes us more aware of what's going on around us.
Friends have commented, and my sons have commented, that Floyd seems like he's better than he was.
He's been very good at helping us understand where we are and what we're doing.
We think that he's really doing a good job, and we're grateful.